So quickly, I'm just going to go through some myths. I just want you to tell me if it's true or false. Should pregnant women get rid of their cats?
No, not necessary. The myth actually has some basis in fact. Many cats, particularly cats that are outdoor cats that hunt, pick up an infection called toxoplasmosis, and they actually carry it in their system. It's passed through their digestive tract. It's in the stool of the cat. So the patient who's dealing with the litter box may actually pick it up, ingest it. For most of us who've had cats, we may have been exposed in the past, may have had toxoplasmosis in the past. It generally tends to be innocuous. However, if a patient gets exposed and gets infected in a pregnancy, that can be difficult for the developing baby. The reality, though, is for most individuals who have a cat, particularly an indoor cat, it probably is not an issue. So they don't have to get rid of the cat, particularly a family member.
Okay, another one. Is it safe to take over-the-counter cold medications during pregnancy?
The answer is for most situations, yes, but a little bit of a caution. I tell patients, minor aches and pains, Tylenol is probably okay to take. We usually want to keep patients away from ibuprofen type products. The cold preparations, most of the things are safe to take. I do always recommend that patients talk to their obstetric provider so that very often the obstetrician or the obstetrician's office will provide a list of things that patients can take over the counter without any recommendation from the physician's office. But if you're unsure, if it's unclear, best thing is just find out and call and get the answer.
And if you have lots of heartburn during pregnancy, does that mean your baby will be born with lots of hair?
I've heard, our grandmothers used to tell us that, but I have to say that I've had patients that live over the last 30 years. Some of the babies had lots of hair, and the patients barely knew that they were pregnant. So I think that's truly an old wives' tale. So I don't see any correlation. Besides, ultimately, that hair gets lost to many of us. So it doesn't make any difference. I don't think it makes any difference at all. I have no idea of that.
Thank you, Dr. Lictmacher.